Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. Really nice one. It required some patience, okay, but definitely turned into a really nice one. This is PHUN, and it had a little bit of news yesterday. It's going to be at some kind of a conference, social media stock, and it was running in the pre-market. We could see that it was running a little bit in the pre-market. Our AI picked it up at 415. Now, this took a while though. I mean, it went from 415 up to the 420 level, came back down. But once you see this volume that came in, once that volume really came in, this went from about 420, 430, all the way up to 470. Or 469. Now it is starting to fall. Now, I was saying in the room that the next high on the daily chart is 476, and so I traded most of it out because I was thinking that 476 that you cannot see, but that is the next high in the daily chart, might prove a stumbling block, and it looks like that has. I mean, it got close to it, but within a dime of it. So anyway, that turned out to be a really nice one on a percentage basis. It was awesome. Okay, guys, have a great weekend, and we'll see you on Monday.